They say follow your passion. Okay, cool, sounds nice. But what if my passion is sleeping? Okay, I'm just kidding. But my passion keeps changing every other day. It's like one day I want to become a software engineer, and the next I want to build my own robot army. And then suddenly I'm writing poems about sadness and rain and my unrecruited love. And I'll be like, I'm supposed to be a tortured writer in Paris or somewhere. But then, boom, existential crisis all over around. And I want to explore the universe and do all that, Einstein like crazy stuff. And then I'm like, what if this thing, our subconscious brain, is a real mystery? Should I be a neuroscientist now or something? Hello, I'm confusion. It's always filled with confusion and everything, and it's so hard for me to decide what should I base my career on? What field should I go for? It's just so hard to decide what to do in our life. What's my purpose? The real problem is we are supposed to know at the age of 16, 17 or 18 that what to do for the rest of our lives. We have to pick a career, we have to go to the university, and how can we be so sure about something that yes, I want to do this thing for the rest of my life? And here I am confused about what Netflix series to watch without spiraling, and I don't even know what to eat in the dinner. Then how come I decide a career which is the hardest thing to do when your interest is just spread all around in multiple stuff? I love coding, I love writing, I love sleeping, I love singing, and I love physics. I love maths, and everything that is interesting and there's something to explore, I'm drawn towards it. I love questioning my existence at 2 a.m. Curiosity is my toxic trait, and I feed on it. It's like in every mundane stuff, I find something worth exploring and knowing about. I want to read all of the books and get every knowledge worthy of knowing. And after a lot of identity crisis and existential crisis and tons of mood things, I finally came to a decision. And I was like, okay, let's go for computer science. It's trending and it seems really promising. It seemed really promising. Let's go for it. It's like everything in it, maths, physics, and the universe simulated through few blocks of code. But wait, here comes the plot twist. One day I decided to make an account on Reddit, and I was just scrolling, and I came across through this community of CS graduates. And after reading their stories, we spent 5 years studying something and we have no job right now. We have no money. After a lot of investments, we are just sitting here solving lead code to crack another interview. And I'm like, dude, what I'm getting myself into? It's like landing a job after doing computer science degree is harder than getting a reply from your crush. Like it's soul crushing. At that moment, I realized it's not just about passion. It's about expectations from your parents, society, and survival itself. You need money to survive, okay? No money, no survival. Passion won't pay our bills. Soul love for something won't feed us, and that's a really sad reality, but we have to accept it. And the society, they want to see us as a doctor, engineer, or maybe they are waiting. What if we turn out to be a disgrace on our family's name? And now I'm sitting here with confusion and million different career paths, and I don't know what to do. After giving a lot of thoughts to a career, I finally decided that computer science sounds best for me. But now hearing everyone say that how it's a waste of time and it doesn't give you a job, and I'm like, what? What am I gonna do now? Should I kill myself or something? Maybe becoming a farmer sounds much better. And then I wonder, is my dream job is even my dream job? Because I feel like we are always influenced by our environment, society, and what's going trending out there, and that's how we become a part of a rat race. We are out here chasing internships, doing extracurricular activities for our universities, chasing for titles and LinkedIn cloud. I never really stop doing this and wonder, what am I really doing? What am I? What is my purpose? What if I just want to learn and evolve and grow and not lose my sanity for something that doesn't even give me a job? And here's what I realized after watching tons of videos on YouTube and after talking to my family members. You don't need to have it all figured out yet. I mean, even adults who are in their 30s don't have their life figured out. I mean, they are just doing stuff and finding their interest. They are evolving. It's okay to switch from jobs to job. We are humans. We are here to do tons of things, explore. This universe is just so big to limit ourselves to only one thing. Pick something that feels right for you. Because I really think that every career and life itself is full of problems, but it's our choice what kind of problems we want to deal with. This video is me sharing my personal chaos because I'm 18. Next year I'll be going into a university and I don't have it all figured out. And no one talks about it enough. They'll be giving you advices what to do, what career path is, good enough and promising. But to be honest, the real question is what we really want to do. What is something that actually interests us and with something we can do a good to our society or maybe to our own selves. Let's do something real in our life, not something that's convenient. So, the final thought, what I want to be. I'm not sure what I want to be and what's my interest, but I'm surely looking forward in exploring myself and reading tons of books that make me knowledgeable and give me a good perspective about universe. And maybe sooner I'll find out what is it that I actually want to do in my life. Stay with me and let's together find what's our purpose in this life. So, bye everyone.